Have you ever wondered how to quit your 9-to-5 job and make money online? Hey there, dreamers and doers. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and eager to pave your way to financial freedom online? Today, we've got an exciting news for you. Do you find yourself stuck in the 9-to-5 cycle, wishing for a way out, and dreaming of making money on your terms? Meet Jonathan Montoya, an entrepreneur and online business expert who has cracked the code to achieving financial independence without being tied to a traditional job. Imagine a life where your income is not limited by office hours, and you have the flexibility to decide your lifestyle while making a sustainable income online. So, how can you turn this dream into a reality and quit your 9-to-5 job while making money online? Introducing the 72-Hour Freedom Challenge by Jonathan Montoya. In just 72 hours, Jonathan will guide you step by step on launching a successful online business and making a substantial income. Learn the secrets of affiliate marketing, how to optimize your online presence, and make money online without prior experience or expertise. Picture the excitement of having your own online business and making money while having the freedom to work from anywhere you desire. Jonathan's success story proves that this dream isn't far-fetched. It's an achievable reality. So, if you're ready to take control of your destiny and craft a life of financial freedom online, join the 72-Hour Freedom Challenge now. Don't let the 9-to-5 routine define your income. Embrace the freedom you deserve with Jonathan Montoya's 72-Hour Freedom Challenge. Sign up today and start your 72-hour journey to escape the 9-to-5 grind and learn how to make money online.